Hi friends, integrating a biometric machine with your own application doesn't have to be complicated. With CAMS, it's literally a 1-minute integration process. Whether you're connecting to your own access point, webhook, or a publicly accessible API endpoint, and all core settings are already pre-configured for you, both on the CAMS portal and at the machine level. That means no complex, the setup is designed to be simple and seamless. Just connect the biometric machine to power and the internet. It's ready. Update your callback URL, generate the auth token, then your API is live. Your machine will be connected, and your data starts flowing instantly to your application. Simple, secure, ready in minutes.
Let's move on to the demo. Log in the CAMS portal. It will navigate to the device status page. Here, I'm inside the system info section of the machine. This is the machine serial number. Let me find the same serial number inside the CAMS portal. I'll name this machine attendance machine. You can customize the label name based on your branch, location, or department. Click Save. Here on the dashboard, you can see transaction metrics, machine name, service validity period, machine information, configuration button, last response button. Right now, the machine shows offline. Let me configure the internet on the device. Go to Menu, COM Settings, Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi network, enter username and password, and update. Go back and enable DHCP. Turn DHCP to on. If you're connecting via Ethernet cable, simply plug it in and enable DHCP there. Either Wi-Fi or Ethernet is sufficient. In server menu, nothing is required to update because it's already pre-configured during the dispatch. Now return to the home screen. Now the Wi-Fi connected. You can see the Wi-Fi symbol and the server cloud symbol. Let's refresh the CAMS portal. Perfect. The machine is now online. Now let's move to configuration. Here, the time zone is listed. Make sure the correct time zone is selected. You can update it if required. Direction means punch type handling. Keep the default actual punch state if needed. You can select any one of these from the list as per the description below. The expected time shown here matches the machine time according to the selected time zone. If you notice a time difference between the machine and expected time, adjust it here using days, hours, minutes, and seconds. If your region follows daylight saving, configure DLS here. It will affect the machine time accordingly. Now ensure your API endpoint is publicly accessible and returns the expected response as status : done, as per the API documentation. Then paste it into the callback URL section. Turn handle response to yes. You can read the description and configure it accordingly. Generate the auth token. This will be used in your application for request validation. Encryption is optional. If enabled, every request and response will be fully encrypted. Make sure your application handles encryption properly before enabling it. Origin IP is set to localhost by default. You can update it with your server's IP if required. Enable only the required operations here and click the update. Now I'm adding the user with a card by navigating to Menu, User Management, Add User. Here fill up the user ID, name, and choose the card option. Then scan and add it. Now let me verify by marking a punch on the machine. Punch completed for user ID 1. Refresh the CAMS portal. You can see the count updated, received, and pushed. Click Last Response. Here we can see the punch request for user ID 1. Status shows it was pushed successfully to the callback URL. The response is exactly as expected. Now let me open the API log from the device management. Search using the machine serial number. Here's the log entry for the same user ID.
You've seen it. You know how simple it is. So why wait?
Start now. Connect your machine. Activate your API. Go live in minutes. And if you ever need support, CAMS is right there with you. Ready to guide, assist, and ensure your integration is seamless from start to scale. Build your ERP. Power your platform. Enable your AI workflow, and all backed by the strength of the only Universal Biometric Gateway API designed for global deployment. This isn't just integration. It's the evolution of your platform into an effortless. By seamlessly integrating APIs with artificial intelligence, we are unlocking the true potential of the future. CAMS Biometrics, powering intelligent biometric connectivity for the world.